Myself here live inside the studio with us this evening. And if you're wondering who I'm talking about, if you haven't seen the flyers, if you haven't seen the promotions, Craigis Illusion is here with us. Good evening to you, sir. Welcome to our show.
Yeah, man, what going?
First thing, welcome to England again, guy. You don't stay here till afternoon.
You know the ground at us, so we have to keep on moving. You know the rules. You know the thing, though.
Which is right. First and foremost, can you just introduce yourself to me and tell me who is Craigis Illusion?
Well, Craigis Illusion, get the name from high school, straight through college. I'm the founder of Illusion Sound from 05 until now, so the rest is history.
Okay, and Illusion is a sound and it's based in?
You know, a center, Ocha we ground, Ocha we come from.
Okay.
You can tell him, man. Him know from the grassroots,
Yeah,
man.
we know, but we just try to get everybody the formalities so people who's watching can understand who you are. For those who don't know, because I know you have fans.
Yeah, man, Ocha's Jamaica, man. You know the rules.
Of course, yes.
You know why Fire Sound? You know why I say that?
Why?
First time I play with Illusion, I could remember vividly. You know me that play one song named Specialist. A Money College, I remember with the man have a Serato box and the man then put it on his sound on Fire Gash.
Yeah, man, I hate, man.
Yo.
Yeah, man, I hate, man.
Yeah, anybody will play laptop sound from them time, they know the first time Serato box, like the SL1.
SL1 them.
The big heavy one.
Me still have one, you know.
Yo, me still have mine still. From the controller them reaching, I don't know them just cause one side. But I still have my own.
Of course.
But what you're gonna tell them, I can remember like it was yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Reach is a after sports jam, and I forgot. Money College after sports jam. And Serata box was hot them time now. So you know you have a Serata box here, done, though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Just now might have a play. Serata box. I don't know if the sound ever have no grounds.
Yeah.
But brother man can tell them, man. Fire truck, man.
Of course. So the sound Illusion started 2005, as you said.
Yeah, man.
And it's going on, so that's why I'm checking now. I don't want to look embarrassed.
Yeah, cool. That's 9 years.
14 years?
No, that's 40. No, 19.
Talk about 13.
No,
13.
But me can't count.
Jagan?
Yeah.
See remote here again, we turn them off again.
Yeah, man.
But the sound has been growing from strength to strength. I noticed with Illusion sound, they always turn to stay into a party vibes. Is it a deliberate choice for you guys to stay that way as a party sound and not like a clash sound?
Yeah, man. Deliberate, man.
The reason why?
Because you know, it's a clash thing now. Me never grown up being me not really and truly me don't know about clash. We can clash, we have the material for clash, but clash thing I feel out right now. Now this no clash sound, but to we Illusion more of the juggling sound. Because you know Illusion is the new generation entertainment package, so we have to entertain the younger crowd. If you're going in a clash situation with the younger crowd, they must stand up and look for you. We can't afford that.
Alright, so we have to give kudos to Illusion Sound because they are one of the pioneering Ocha in Center who break the what they call the DJ market to let man and man know so you don't have to be a part of a sound system to make your own money and do your own thing. So big up Illusion for that.
Yeah, because them have you as the uptown sound and watch, you know, in a sentence. So
when I uptown sound
yeah, them have you as the uptown sound. Like most of the big events, you name the events them we play upon them.
Yeah, we see that for true.
You see me, the Dream Weekend them, the Brick Jam.
Like, remember one thing I come from way back from like Impy Skimpy days.
Impy Skimpy days.
R.I.P. to try.
Yeah, man, Rick know them time now, man.
I know, man. Rick
is a watching you to the
It's a watching man, man. I see everything I go on.
Tantrum, Street Entertainment, big up, you know what them, man. They say Illusion from day one, so.
Anybody know when you come out, especially this time of year.
A problem, man.
Illusion name the pan.
Everything.
I would have said
fully
95% of the board them inside Ocha race.
What separates Illusion sound from everyone else in Ocha? Because there's Ocha race, there's a lot of sounds.
Here we go now. We uniqueness. We remix them, we dub them, or we cut them. The style of juggling. That's the way we dress. Because as an entertainer, you have to dress. I not say the man can't dress in, but we have a different
like you
style.
show some shots, cause
no, man, I'm not throwing a shade, man. I'm not tree. But I tell you what go on. No, man, but you have enough for the man them. So them are entertainer, but you have to have an image.
Yeah.
If you don't have an image, man, them are cheated. For instance, use a promoter.
Yeah.
And me for the year dancing in slippers and a tee-up shirt. Where you go pay me? A slippers and tee-up shirt money. But if you see me for my Balenciaga and my polo shirt and
see that now,
you have to pay me with all me dress.
Money turn up.
Exactly. So it's how you bring yourself, people treat you. Remember that.
What's
so DJs, how you bring yourself, promoters are gonna treat you.
You hear it first from the man himself. But in terms of you as a person, or Craigis, you said that you were the starter, the founder of Illusion Sound. How many members is in the sound currently, and how many members you started with?
Alright, we start off with 3 members at the time. which is Biggs and you name Buzz. Biggs and Buzz.
Yeah, me know
Buzz from Firm Music.
Yeah, from Firm Music. Yeah. Big up Buzz. Him one of the day one them, but you know him separate and him go overseas. So Fire Q, I think him part phone sound now.
Yeah.
Big up Fire Q.
Yeah.
Is me really good still, but you don't know him. They're on a different trad. So we have Fire Q back then, but now we have Biggs, Trevor, Casper.
You miss out somebody out of the equation. You did have World Fresh after Fire Q.
Yeah, World Fresh.
Yeah, World Fresh.
Big up, I'm a virgin CMA. People feel like we're in a beef, but we not go party.
Yeah.
So
I want to take
big up World Fresh, man. I'm a general, man. I'm a brother.
Yeah.
Real entertainer, that real MC, a good youth.
That's true, man.
With the body tell you nothing. It might be ways them, but it's entertainment.
Yeah.
World Fresh. So big up World Fresh anytime, any day, anyhow. You see me?
The vision for Illusion Sound, I can see that you have great things in mind. What encouraged you as a young individual going into the music to choose such a path? Obviously, you didn't go to the regular sound, because there's a lot of sound system in Jamaica. There's obviously Chronics, them did it from long time.
Totally.
Totally
clips. Totally clips at one point, right?
Huh?
You kind of, what may I say? Started off kind of away from there, and then you do your one thing.
Total clips was an influence.
Yeah. Because you remember when Jet Li did
Jet Li was my virgin.
Yeah.
Before me even get introduced to Timeless. Timeless are my brother. But a Jet Li me didn't know mostly on the sound at the time.
Yeah.
You see me? But Timeless, we get to know Timeless now. But Timeless teach me for mix.
Yeah, that time.
So Timeless, him teach me for mix. I'm teaching for use Serato, because at the time I used to use virtual DJs.
Okay.
I used to go high school and early part of college. But Timeless say, yo brother, let me teach you for mix. And him start show me the 1 and 3s, and you know the thing go. Yeah. Right now he's a pioneer.
So
that's what man.
So are you teach ball? Because I remember back in the days when Bulby wasn't playing the sound.
Yeah, man, but no, Bulby couldn't mix. I mean, teach him, man.
No, Bulby shoot,
no.
right? You have to watch yourself, you know.
No people tell me that. Bulby bad, you know.
Alright, Bulby learned very quick, and like.
Nah, man, Bulby a stinger, man. Me tell you. Bulby is a youth to make you send out and say, yo, brother, got to do that event if I'm not have to work, I'm not have to call him.
Yeah. Alright, why you feel like Illusion can prosper and be so successful when you're not in Jamaica?
Because of the team.
Of the team.
It's the team. There. Alright, Biggs, Bulby, the two mixers them have right now, them and them are fire. Put them in any arena and them shoot right now. The weekend gone we have what? We triple. Days.
Me see it on the socials say Illusion been trending all over the year's weekend. So like,
yeah man, because Illusion sound, we try to stay trending because we don't need artists to send me around, because I know for them sound right now.
Yeah.
Feed off an artist trend. There's no artist ever say, yo, Illusion on my sound and I push Illusion sound. Illusion start from the grassroots, Ochi.
Yeah.
You see me? And there's no artist that can say, yo, me send Illusion around. None.
And I can see a lot of chemistry in terms of like the DJs in Illusion. I can see like Bulby and what's his name? Casper more together, and like Big and Travis.
Yeah man.
What them call themselves? Fat Squad?
Fat Squad.
Alright.
Illusion Fat Squad that man.
You know what I think?
Yeah, them a fire shot man.
I like the MC Casper. I tell you,
want to get him for the land on them time man.
Casper live like.
Yeah.
That's the only downfall that I see. Like you don't have like a steady MC over here based inside London, and I know like. But
really and truly, I'm there London still now. That's family time, brother.
Why you not try penetrate the market over here, sir?
It's London now, brother. You see them promoter, yeah. Now if I shot at no promoter, you know, really, you know, but the promoter them want pay like £150 for me left my yard. Brother, that alone full of my carton, you know. So when me I go left my yard now, them hours yeah. We can go a party over here, then I run for shoot a party and them sitting there sometime. £150 can't pay me, brother. If you understand me, I say. Remember me have a family, you know.
Yeah.
So if you left my yard for £150, now I go work. So me rather just stay in.
Maybe it's the market is a different market.
That's the thing.
I get
it's a dancer market, remember it's a dancer, so.
No, I get what you're saying, but you have like Illusion they classify like as a uptown song. Why you don't go after the corporate side of London? Like
well, that is true still, you know. You know people stay, for instance, if Rick have a link and him know say I'm a good DJ, he's a DJ as well, but him knows that me good and better than him.
Yeah.
Him I go afraid for let me in a theme circle.
Yeah, cause
I remember say links around the world, you know.
And I don't know why people is like that, like
brother, if me identify you as a good DJ as myself, me can say brother, that you can play, you know, you book him for one of them night. No for the man them now do that, brother.
Why you feel like? You feel like they want to take with them food?
That's what them feel.
Well, maybe that's true. And maybe a man want to lose, you have to protect what you have.
Talk about the music business over here, because they have some dinosaur in the business where I come and foreign come see and they was here before me, and like some of them are going good.
I can't call a few of them and I know are going good still. You have a you them Andrew Fresh from South.
Bad.
You have Lion Squad.
Yeah. Lion Squad.
Them are shoot.
Lion Squad is a
new Movie Star Johnny.
Lion Squad is a new sound. Movie Star Johnny is an old comer. Movie Star Johnny are going good. He's recently emerged back himself into the dancehall scene, I would say 3 years ago, because like before that I think he was going quite under the radar, and then he emerged back himself like as one of the champions, because Movie Star Johnny has been doing this for quite some time now, and I would say World Boss Lizard is one of them.
Yeah, Lizard.
Gangsta
Crystal Blue and Gangsta. Yeah, man. Them sound them are going for the south.
And you can't left out World Power sound.
And World Power, yeah man. Them are going. Yeah, them set a sound there. When my father land and see, especially Lizard, the first time I see Lizard perform, I say, "What you that body, man? Cause I have some intro, I have some different.
Have some talk.
I have some different talk, brother. When I know, say, yo, that you are bad. Him know him, I do.
Miserable.
Yeah, man.
What makes a good MC for you?
A good MC, he must be intellectual, you know, brother. He must have humor. He must have gimmicks. For be a good MC, for me.
Yeah.
You see, if you don't have no gimmicks, brother, you gotta suck up, and if you don't use up an environment while you at work, it's a harder feel. So as an MC, me feel like you have to be an all-rounder. You have to know what go on for the media. You have to know what go on the news. You have to know everything what go on around there, brother.
You have to be in touch.
And then you bring that into play.
For you now, we realize that you mostly do the mixing.
Yeah.
Have you ever host? Have you ever host?
I want to tell you a little thing reach over there.
I see a video.
So, for the past 2 years, Costa Rica.
Yeah.
Big up my Costa Rican fans them love you over there. But last year we had to bring a DJ, talented. Him come from New York. Big up talented. Yeah. RFB DJ. So I say, brother, I have a show in about. We need an MC. Forward. And forward I will do you the show good. Then book you back this year again. Link back talented him say, oh, brother, John no more for, but me have other arrangements and bookings and in care for. Me understand that. I might think I put them thing first before. You understand?
Yeah.
But if him could afford, him know he'd afford. I say, alright. Next best is just me and Bulby need to go.
Yeah,
Mr. Brother, Mr. The talented Mr. Brother, me I got talk, you know. Man say, brother, go and go do it, man. Make up my mind so me I got talk. Reach the party. Brother, we did the job. As I say, you see the video.
Yes, I see the video.
Because
well, me think something wrong with the video.
To me, I think you and Bulby juggle a similar like. So
yeah, man.
You can out there, you can know a Bulby.
I mean, Bulby share ideas.
Alright, so
you see me?
So that's why I think it worked that well.
If me find a song, me know so I can mix with a song. Like me find a Hennessy can mix with Red Bull. No, me say Bulby, yo, try the Hennessy Red Bull, like bad, you know.
Yeah.
And then if him say, yo, dog, mix the Red Bull before the Hennessy. Yeah. I just suck. We have a little connection I go on, you see me?
So you see what happened with me and you now, you see?
Yeah.
Like,
well,
even though you wasn't made an MC, but you don't know.
We have to become. Because me and Dragon play more time, and me's a mixer as well, but Dragon is a mixer. Dragon is a better mixer than me. So obviously, we have to kind of remix the thing.
You do the MC
and the MC, and him.
But I don't see you as an MC. You look like a more mixer to me.
All right, but
Dragon look like a more MC to me.
Yes, you're surprised.
You know me, I follow the MC a bit when me back in.
But yo, you have to help yourself as a mixer. Yeah. You most can say, "Oh, brother, I carry the black move."
No, but
you have enough man as a mixer can't even say hello.
Yeah, that's true.
Or promote a link up. Them can't say that.
The greatest thing I would say with music is like, if you love it, you're gonna try things, and like sometimes
you make it work.
It don't really matter if sometimes you go out and like it didn't turn out too well. You use that as a learning curve and you improve from there. Like I go places and I try things before and it didn't work. Like anybody know me over here, like all of the big name they just call. Them know me as a bad mixer. Me always do something out of the ordinary. Everybody know. Like me always play some song or some things, some gimmicks.
Yeah. True that.
Enough time I go dance, I'm try after some things. And then I work and I say, okay, and them tell me say, you know them song in a work over here. I go back to the drawing board and I go again until
yeah, man.
Me get the little formula now.
So me stay in a brother cause no mixer no perfect, you know. No man no band the headphone and them singing. So you learn from somebody else or learn from a pioneer, you see me?
Yeah.
So if a man say, brother, you know, go and go tonight, you know, don't take it as disrespect. Use a stepping stone and say, oh, the next time I forward around, I go deal with it.
Makes sense.
That's why I mean like listen to my live orders them, you know. For hear the mistake I make. Or how me mixing a song or me say, oh, me should mix the song up on the bar there or
yeah.
You know?
Because like some of the time, because of the hype, you're missing out the next photo out of the song.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, you're not too old for learn.
Of course. Definitely. All right. You're here in the UK.
Hold on. Just a quick question. In terms of like the anniversaries, like I see you do an anniversary this year in Jamaica, then the one in Florida.
Yeah.
How that one turn out? Because I see you post a thing like a lot of people never get to come into the venue, like it was too
start
small
off with
or
Jamaica
something.
first. Jamaica, you know already. Ocha our place,
Yeah.
Jamaica. The anniversary go on good, me not lie.
Yeah.
Good turnout, you see me? But we just have like 2 other dates, jump on our dates. You see me? So it the crowd kinda split. Which I have still give thanks because our anniversary we never really do it for make no money, we just do it to celebrate.
Yeah.
You see me? So that go on, we got Florida now. Florida promotion was off the chain, brother. I never noticed as much fans Illusion have a Florida. Anyways, no reach to venue packed inside. You see me? And because people them tear down the barrier up on the outside, so everybody start buying shigik and them want come in.
Yeah.
You see me? It's like, brother, 1,000 people out of the door to come in.
As far as
we have the pictures them I can show you.
As far as I'm here, you could have got prison, you know, fire hazard thing. They
Brother.
lock you up.
Brother, police walk in at the party.
Yeah, like
2 o'clock and lock off the dance. I have a 4 o'clock permit. So you must know.
Is that too much people? We know them stay.
Brother, when you look outside, brother, it's like a different crowd than with the inside. Whosoever the outside, unless you couldn't hold inside.
So that leads me to this question. There's a new law in Jamaica, the Noise Abatement Act. How you guys coping with that? Because we hear that the parties during the week finish at 12 o'clock and the weekends go to 2. How can this work, first of all?
Well, if you're a promoter, it'll beat them bad. Because you know, you have some people, brother, them not stubborn. People not start they know say party like for instance 2 o'clock. Them now get ready till 12 o'clock.
So it's not so I keep hearing this scenario, so that means it's not really the government's fault. It's more a lifestyle change.
No. Yeah, we're going. You know, Jamaica's a dancehall place, isn't it? Yeah. You know, people like to party late, early morning, I should say then. When the police come change the law now, they lock it off 2 o'clock. That's not beneficial to neither the promoter or the DJs.
It's not really a change the law when they start to enforce the law, because that law was in place from
then again,
1997, I think. Yeah.
So don't you think that is the lifestyle needs to change? People lifestyle needs to change. In for instance, change to accommodate the law.
Jamaicans?
No, not really.
No Jamaicans, brother.
To be honest, like
brother, alright. Here we go now. Them brought them bad already. And for them I try come change it now, brother, it a go hard. Then we just lower it and just make it run. Is it that them take an hour off, like normally say 4 o'clock or even for done, or Jamaica normally have them mind for say, alright, 4 o'clock the party are done.
Yeah.
Even the police say 3 o'clock, brother, them meet you halfway.
You know, some of them old lawyer, them need for revamp. Like the 12 o'clock during the week. That's just nonsense.
12 o'clock during the week. We kind of see that still, you know.
And 2 o'clock a weekend?
12 o'clock, remember during the weekend, brother, people have work.
Hold on.
Disturb people,
and
you know.
2 o'clock in the weekends.
Well, the weekends, no. That's I did talk about weekend, me talk about.
Like, I think it should be 2 o'clock during the week and 4 during weekends.
Well, that makes sense, yeah.
This make more sense because, like, to be honest, like, you have to think about, like, most of people on our hemisphere in the North Coast, most of the people are hotel worker. Hotel in the bus till like 10, 11 o'clock, you know. When the man them all go, when you make a little tip them, you want to go spend them.
Grocery shop in the morning.
Because shop, where's the supermarket down in here again?
Champions. Yeah, dog.
But Ochi is the city. Ochi is the place.
Ochi our place, man. Represent Ochi right through.
What's so special about Ochi? Because, you know, I know what is special
Pretty
about
beach, man, and the girls, man, the hotel, them.
But Ochi,
you notice? Every party around come at Ochi. Every weekend like they are Ochi. Yeah. Ochi come like a foreign, brother.
Me feel like say
right now we need
Tell them for me. Tell them.
They need visa soon. I tell you, the man need visa for father Ochi.
It's a different atmosphere, and people I keep telling people because Ochi is not very big. When I was there, it looked big to me, but by living in London now, and then you look back to yourself and you think to yourself, Ochi not really big, and you know, says just
Ochi not big. You can walk out Ochi in 15 minutes.
Yeah, one big circle, but there's so much happening, you get lost in the moment sometimes.
It's a very small city, but it was tailored for the visitors to the island. So that's why which is this special. And me never know and still like me come to England and when you go back as a returning resident.
Yeah, man, you feel like
no. Hold on, man.
Man, go on, man.
You start to some good things them when you see the foreigner them come do.
Yeah.
I say,
that's what you nice. Yeah, man, that's true, man. A real thing, man.
Dragon the returning resident.
Returning resident.
Then I saw you go, man. Then over here.
Man, live in Jamaica again, man.
True that still.
Then I saw you go, man. Like you start say, yo. No, I got dolphin cover. Me have to look over my fence and watch people swim with dolphin and sit in the
no, you gotta enjoy it, eh?
What? Dolphin?
Trouble?
Yeah, go everywhere you do so like
yes.
You
people
know say watch it nice.
Of course, definitely. People just if you just join us, we're here live with Craigis Illusion. Lots of questions we'll be talking about himself and Illusion Sound.
Yeah.
And basically how it started and where he is right now. And basically he's in England, London. He says he's gonna be here for a couple more weeks. He's not really here as a regular much often. But obviously he says he has family here.
Yeah, man, my wife and my son and my daughter live here, man.
As what the man said, the ground hot. Alright, let's speak about mixtape. Like, I see you've been doing a series of mixtape for quite a while now. What was the first one? I think it was Zero Tolerance. The first current one that we know about.
Yeah, Zero Tolerance.
Zero Tolerance. Then
most one you can, yeah.
Then you got Trouble.
Yeah.
Then what?
Ready. Me have a next one in Ready.
No, you got Ready after Zero Tolerance.
And then Trouble. Yeah,
so,
man.
me see you post something, so you're putting out a next volume of Trouble.
Yeah, man.
So it's volume 2, right?
It's currently in the making, man. But the one me not go to advertise it. I drop it like Beyonce album.
Because like we always anticipate Illusion mix because you know like the mix them always have something special and something.
Yeah, me not like already mixtape it go on good still. No, the Trouble mixtape right now release in March or April one them time there. That go on good. Me not go like I get like couple thousand plays. You can check out us on SoundCloud, Illusion Sound, JA and SoundCloud. Or search for the name there.
That's why I say one of them mixtape there, you know, when you go on a far journey, you know, you go country just.
Yeah, Trouble. Man, just play. Trouble. Yeah, man, so me rep on volume 2, you know. Really? Yeah, man, 2. Because we not give boy no number, you know.
Oh, what you say? See him, sir? There's a few things, well, I must refer into that. Prior to the interview, and we said we're going to have Craigis Illusion. One of my friends them from Ochi side, I won't call the name, say, need to ask you this. Why you feel like you're more bossy, you're more hype than everybody else? I know the answer.
Here I go on now. I'm not bossy, I'm not hype. People just feel like me bossy and hype. I'm a person like this. If you see me on the street, you can call to me, I can call to you. If I don't remember you, or your name ring a bell, or your face ring a bell, I can hear you.
Yeah.
But if he's a new, but that's no fan, but I still call to you. I'm not hype. I talk to people just feel like me hype. But that's how we bring ourselves.
Yeah, and he's a man, we don't really talk much.
I mean, I talk much. So I just how you bring yourself and how your program, people feel like you're hype, but they're not hype. So as a DJ, you can't hype, you know.
Which is right.
You have to be a friendly person. A people person or whatever.
Makes sense.
To be honest, like at one point, me the kind of think you'll move to that sense, you see me? I remember like, we are back in our days, you know, like a schoolboy thing going, you know? You violate one of the dad, I go for and cut and with the circle of bus park, you know, you and your boys them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You don't know, like, and then like, when we become a bit older, like, me start playing music, obviously, you was playing music and you was way ahead in the game than us, and then like, we start talk and then realize, say, like, you are really a humble person, you are not, hope you make you out to see him, because sometimes, if you're looking out, from the outside to something, you might see him
just like a book. You see the topic, but you don't know what going on inside.
But maybe because you don't socialize more too often with people.
Nah, man, I socialize, man. People.
With the general public. No, maybe Rick, that's why.
Hold on. As what I say, you have to understand the scene. As what I say, you carry yourself on certain things like. Alright, remember say them I get book for you, look a nice part of them and them are there nice venue them all the time and them sitting there.
Yeah.
So if you don't know them, no expect no man to chat to you because think about it in a general way.
I tell you what can be a problem too. You follow people on Instagram or social media, them feel like you're this friend you know from your baby I grew up.
Yeah.
Me follow a couple people on Instagram right now. For instance, I know all Dragon. I follow him on Instagram. Dragon know me, but me no familiar with Dragon.
Yeah.
Dragon is me walk past him and feel like, brother IP man, brother. But just the amount of people up on my Instagram at daytime, I not go remember every face.
Yeah.
So if you see me and shout me, I go shout. It's not like I go see a shout me and I say, oh, brother, I call to me and I go on hype. I go say, oh, go on, brother.
Yeah, but you just don't know him because...
You just don't know the ears of me.
Yeah.
Because it's a little circle me have. You see me? I stay in that circle. You see me? It's not everybody and me would I say a close friend or family.
Yeah.
But me can say, oh, if me hungry, then everybody are gonna know. No, sir. That does me circle know when me hungry.
What's next for Illusion?
What's next for Illusion? If we just get bigger, brother. And
Hold
just
on,
keep climbing the ladder.
Are you guys not doing nothing out the regular comfort zone? Out taking dates, playing music? You're not going to venture into something different?
Production.
But I think about being a producer still, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you just step at the top of my brain if say, oh, start produce.
Yeah, because
but you don't know that game is tricky. I'm doing my research, you see me?
But you're already in the game.
Yeah.
You're already main players in the game.
But right now, brother, I tell you see the artists them nowadays, them me want to burn out now too, you know. You have some artists who you know from grassroots, from them just a start, and them find a one-hit song, brother. Like madness to get dub from them. Right now when they find the one-hit song, because they feel like them reach.
Yeah, and
but
the price,
remember,
this is what I'm charge for some dub plates. That's the question I'm going to ask.
And not even the price, because really and truly, I don't really pay for dub plate. I'm not going to lie, it's not a hype thing, but me just wake up a morning time and see a dub in my email. Just randomly. People that send me dub. Say, brother, see a dub there. So I have to big up them artists that will look out for Illusion. That means I look out for them, the artists. But see, you have some artists that me not going to look out for. You see me?
Which artist? Tell me a name.
Me not call a name, man.
Alright.
I have one artist on my blacklist right through. Yeah, man.
Alright, so if you're not
3 years now, I'm not playing an artist.
If you're not Illusion playing an artist,
3 years now.
Alright, you want to know.
There's a center artist too. I not call a name on a program.
I think I know who.
Don't call a name, brother.
I not call a name
All
still,
right,
but anyway.
Left it there, so brother.
Make it stay this, alright. So, true, I not reach a level there yet. I still have to pay for my dub plate them. And like, me I tell the honest truth, like some of the artists them when I have to remember. Say,
yeah, man, they have to remember where they have fall from,
them,
brother. The artists them need the DJs just as the DJs need the artists.
So, alright, what you think is a reasonable price to pay for dub plate?
Depends on the song and how you want to cut it. As I said before, if it's a clash sound, you have to go pay big money for that. Because you cut a special for this amount.
No, in just a regular dub plate. What you think is a reasonable price? A regular dub plate on it of original rhythm. Normally you get the song split and tight, so you could remix it and do what you want to do with it.
The minimum I'm gonna charge for dub still, you know, brother. $2 US. Because US and Cote, you know, like, we are fine.
That's the next thing. Like, we live at Jamaica and then you call a man much for a dub.
2 bills, 3 bills,
me like,
5
yo,
bills.
bro, you know, still in a Jamaican, like, and it's a currency we do it.
Yeah, man. Like, they not get other currency, man.
Why is
if
that?
they charge a 2 bills, then they might get maybe 5 grand extra in a Jamaican currency.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because
obviously
the US is bigger than the Jamaican.
But you just can't do a calculation and tell with it like.
They don't want that, man. They want the brand new them are the greens them, you know.
Because like I think that's nonsense. Because an idea is like, you know the business, me know the business. Like, so my time a DJ now go out there go get 200 US, see? And then you take your whole your night money buy one song, and that one song will go be relevant for maybe 2 or 3 months.
I guess so. You have to buy the good song them. If you as a DJ, you go spend money buy the good song them. Me don't buy a song like Own a Lane. Them song they can play.
Yeah,
we already
you can relate to them song there. You see the song we can relate to, brother. Me would have spend my money on them the song there.
But those songs they are charging 4 or 5 for them.
Them know so them long lasting.
It's not, but you're paying 2 times the price, and like I think you need
because
to be
it long lasting.
Yeah.
Just like a Gucci shirt and a polo shirt. Which one of them you would buy? Which one of them you pay more for?
Oh, just
a saying. Just a saying. Just a saying.
To be honest, like me rather a polo shirt than a Gucci shirt, cause like I just don't really fancy the brand.
The quality me I talk about.
The quality?
Yeah.
Obviously the Gucci shirt.
The Gucci shirt, I'm telling you, it's just an example me I give.
That's why it's more expensive.
I don't want a Gucci shirt still, but you don't know. I know like me know my polo them like. Me not talk the polo them, the good polo.
Nah man, me wear polo.
When you go in a
regular white tee polo, me wear daily man. That's something me like polo.
When you go in a good polo store, you buy one of them, yeah, you pay 120 feet, you know, one Ganzi as them boy that say. Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Right, we're very limited on time, and we just have another guest jump in the studio, so we're gonna be just inviting him into the conversation right now. People, if you looking at the cameras on the
Rich
stream
friend,
now,
man.
Rich man just reached in the studio. English Fire is here, and he's live in the studio. Welcome to the show as well. Welcome to the UpnLive brother.
Apologies. I had to park Craigis care.
That sound good. People, if you're wondering who is English Fire member or former member of Black Shiny, he's going to relate that for me.
He's still a member of
Black
Shiny.
No, he's going to clarify that now for me. I don't know. I'm just giving him the broad paintbrush.
Yeah.
And then he can elaborate on that for me.
Well, I sent my interview in to join Illusions, but it was denied. So I'm still.
But I'm one wicked.
No, I'm man. I'm still a member of Black Shiny, man.
Okay, just give me a little quick, maybe about 30 seconds about yourself.
English Fire, member of the Grammy Sound, the only Grammy Sound Black Shiny.
Is it?
You're losing a Grammy Sound, man.
No, you don't have any.
You just don't post it.
And I've been in the business a long time. I've been in the business over 20 years, so
yeah,
I paid my dues.
20 years.
So it's not like I'm 50, don't.
Over 20 years.
Him sound old, no.
English.
Over
Yeah, how
20
much, brother?
years.
I'm younger than 50 and over 21.
You favor idiot.
So a lot of people don't know English Fire from Rasta to Ballad. Wait, what's the next move?
Okay,
Back to Rasta?
No, let's correct it. It was Ballad
Yeah.
to Rasta.
To
I may just revert back to the original Ballad.
Original band. Find a way back home.
That's it.
Okay, Black Shiny is based in Miami.
Yeah.
But you're based in the UK here.
Over the last 7 years, I think it's 7 years now.
Okay.
I've been in the UK. But for those that don't know, I was born in the UK.
That's what I was gonna ask.
See, a lot of people always ask, how did you? What was the reason? I was actually born in the UK. I'm originally born in East London.
East London?
Yeah.
Oh, you're East London, huh?
East London, yeah, man. My family's from Ilford, so.
Okay.
I was born in East London, and then I migrated with my family to the States in the late 80s, 88. And then I lived in America.
how old were you?
I'm old in
88.
88.
Over 5 and under 15. Did I catch you? So yeah. So I did that, and then I lived in the States for basically all my life. But I have a family now, so I just wanted to give my family that dual citizenship and the abilities to
move around,
and do what they want to do in each and every country. So
makes sense. What was your first connection with Black Shiny?
I joined Black Shiny 2010. In 2010, I was on a sound called Prodigy Movements. Craigis knows about that sound.
Big up Prodigy.
Big up to Killer Mike.
Killer Mike and the crew.
Yeah.
I was on that
General,
sound.
man.
I joined that sound. Actually, I got time.
Yeah.
I got time.
Yeah,
All right. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long while, so I did my circuits. You know what I mean? I've been around a little bit. My cousin was a member of a sound called Delta Force from New York and from Trelawney. You know about Delta Force from Montreal?
Yeah, I know about Delta
Yeah,
Force.
me know
We know Delta Force, man.
Meggie and Rich Kid. And
Me don't know about that one.
all right, so I ended up. I was on a sound called Genesis in Miami, and then my cousin was on Delta Force, and he convinced me to join this sound from California called City Star. So I moved to California, and I was living in California. This is like 96, 95, 96. Played that sound. Then I went to Jamaica for the first time in 97. I played in Jamaica. That was my first time playing in Jamaica. Was 97.
Okay, so I was under the impression that you were born in Jamaica and then you moved to.
No. I was born in England. I never ever lived in Jamaica. Never,
Okay.
not one day.
So all right, then this is explain this to me. Because you have a little Yardman accent side.
My parents.
Your parents is
My
Jamaican.
mother and father are both Jamaican. My family is 100% Jamaican. So
Okay.
that's where. But I've never lived there.
Never
You know,
lived
this is
there.
another American accent.
Yeah, the
Not the English accent.
I live there, so that's my home. You know what I mean? But my parents are from the same place Craigis is from, St. Anne's.
Yeah, man.
So that's where the journey took me. Then being on Prodigy, I joined Prodigy, and I think 99. So I was on Prodigy for about 10 years. But just like any job that you're in, you reach, you start at the entry level.
Yeah.
You get manager level, supervisor level, director level.
Yeah.
There's not much other levels you can go to in that job. So you kind of look for different jobs within that same
Circle.
field
Yeah.
that can elevate you to or another challenge. Dupes had asked me to join the sound 2008. I declined it. I think Bobby then asked me again in 2009. I declined it
Why?
because I was on Prodigy and I was kind of pushing that.
Yeah.
And that was my goal. You know what I mean? That was my aim. Me and Killer Mike. There was no owner of Prodigy. There was no owner of that sound. Me and Killer Mike. That was my paycheck every week.
Yeah.
That was my DJ money every week. My dubs was on that. Like I didn't have any money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So then the opportunity came again with Black China, and I sat down and I said, yo, when things keep reoccurring, there's a sign there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I said, you know what? I may not ever get this opportunity again.
Yeah.
Black China was like at the pinnacle of their career at that time, traveling the world.
Yeah, and then
The option came again, and I took it.
that was the time when they started to Fully Loaded and those shows.
That was like right after Fully Loaded.
When them start mash up Fully Loaded.
Yeah, that was like right after Fully Loaded, because Black China is a sound. For those that don't know, Black China started in 2000. It's only 19 years old. So what they did in that short impact of time between the year 2000 and I'd say 2005, 6, 7.
Now I think it stopped right at 2007.
Yeah, like 2007. After that, it kind of teetered off. But the impact that they made, like Black China became a household name overnight. Black China made Khaled. For those that don't know, Dups made Khaled. All those remixes, DJ, that was Dups.
Because
that was
we already know
Black
China always have the baddest mixtape them
man.
on the road we can think about. So if you not listen to Black China, no girl don't want you.
Yeah, man, we used to go to high school at Black China music festival, man.
Super dopes.
Them man, they inspire me still, man. Willie Chin and them man.
It's a friend quote, man. I was supposed to go for run. Tommy, he'll figure at
Tommy. Man, internet, man.
Internet.
And Mr. C.
Yeah, alright. Word, let people drive over the bus, Mr. C.
Nah, man, they're mad, man. We make it part Wi-Fi party, you know, brother.
Anyway, talk about school. We have the
two youth always have it.
We have the baddest bus them run go my school. You don't know.
Yeah.
Don't know Marcus.
Of course.
Gunman school, man.
So yeah, that's that. So that's that. I mean, the sound did a lot, man. The sound made a very big impact. So I found it an honor that they came for a third time and asked me to join. I just couldn't turn that down.
I've been
on it since then.
You've been through a lot with the Black China as well, and then obviously moving forward to new era. The first major stage in we seen you in club dates, doing lots of things in the club dates, lots of parties, but then comes Red Bull Culture Clash.
Yeah, 2016.
What happened there?
People are gonna think I'm lying. Like I really didn't know. I didn't know. I found out about Red Bull Culture Clash 5 days before.
Yeah.
Is it?
Right? Now, I'm gonna let y'all know a secret, and this is I'm not lying. I can lie, but I don't lie about music.
Yeah.
When it comes to music, I'm 100% truth.
What go on?
Right? Mix pack. I was helping cut dubs for Mix pack.
So that mean you know the Arsenal. So all you still end up getting ass whipping.
Here's the thing, right? I ended up. So they asked me for help. I wasn't involved in Culture Clash. So when you came for my help, okay, I got that link. I'll help you.
Yeah.
So I'm voicing, and then Dupes was like, "Yo, I heard you're helping Mixback." I was like, "Yeah, that's cool." He's like, "We just got signed to do Red Bull Culture Clash under Wiz Khalifa. So what you doing?" I was like,
Trouble.
"What you mean?" So I had to like distance myself from Mixpack. I never told them. I never ever went back. To Willie or Dupes. I was like, "Yo, I've cut this." Because that's just unfair. Like that they play no part in it. I never went back. I never said anything.
No, but you should have said that, brother.
Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Of course. But
I'm not doing that.
Hold on. Not about saying anything, but you know most of the dub that cut. So you're supposed to know what talk to affect that dub and how to direct your talk towards so they cannot
kill
play
that dub.
And if they play that dub, it don't have no substance.
But there's only
so all you still end up for Mataran and them lot to block you up.
Right, let me show you. There's only a certain things that I can do. Right? So the Drake, I knew they had that. Drake told Dupes, "Yo, how can I give you a song? Popcorn signed to me."
Yeah.
Even though Dupes produced Controller, what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Are you giving it to your producer or you giving it to your artist?
Yeah.
You're giving it to your artist.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? I knew once they dropped that, the clash is over.
Yeah.
That won them
Nah,
the clash.
that was the hottest song.
But before that,
no.
Hold on. That and the Spice.
Hold
but that
on.
was a live. I can't counteract Spice.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Like, I think the first bit of the clash was toe to toe. Then, when they get to the middle, he was taking punches, man. He was taking injuries.
Yeah, but it's like our round was okay. Like what we did in our round, what we was hired for was all right. Like we was cutting. I'm not even gonna lie. We was cutting dubs. We got the Junior Gong backstage. That was sent via email while we was backstage. Willie tied that 10 minutes before we went on stage.
Well, listen to me.
Is it?
Yeah,
your accent didn't do you any favor at that clash.
Nah.
Everybody like, who's this American guy?
That's exactly what, like, people were shocked that I came out on stage. Like, I'm standing, I don't know how y'all, where we were standing, I had to have my face covered. Because I'm standing right next to Mixpac. So I'm standing next to Corey, Mataran, all them, Valerie. I'm standing right next to them, but I can't let them know that I'm about to run out. So when I ran out, I looked up and Mataran's looking at me like,
traitor.
English, you, and me and Mataran are like, brother, me and Mataran are really close. So Mataran's looking at me like, you of all people? Corey's looking at me like, dog, I was just talking to you 5 minutes ago. So I felt it was a funny situation, but it did a lot for me.
Yeah.
It did a lot for the sound, and a lot of people that, like you said, saw me in club dates, but wasn't kind of familiar with who I am.
I think
that my phone didn't stop after that.
I think that helped you with on the scene, especially with your hosting skills.
Yeah.
That got you lots of recognition in that field.
Yeah.
For now, because we were trying to catch up because we've been here with Craigis Solution, so we're kind of flipping it back, so we're kind of get a little bit info from English Fireside. We're here live in this week. We were talking just now, me and Dragon, we were mentioning about dubplate. We just want to get your quick tour in views on that. How much do you think is the right price for a dubplate?
Depends on the artist.
You know, there's like my brother.
It depends on the artist.
Like to be honest, like
dub prices are dub prices right now are overpriced.
They're overpricing it because like the last time, no disrespect to Baby Sham, last time
grand
Baby Sham.
Yeah, 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000 US.
Like brother.
Per song.
No. Yeah, per song. One dub plate.
Do the maths, right? And I understand the industry, right? But a dub plate, Craigis can attest to this. A dub plate is 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or you might get it 1 minute and 30 if it's a good song.
Or 1 minute 30, depending on the intro.
The verse and the chorus.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all a dub plate is. A 45, a single, is 2 minutes 40.
Right.
Right? So you're getting half of that.
Yeah. So half us.
So now I can approach an artist, and for 2 minutes 40, I can give him $2,000, $3,000, and buy that single, sell that single back, and make 10 times that. Or I could spend 1,000 for 1 minute 42 that I'm only going to play for 45 seconds.
You know, it makes sense though.
No, it's not making sense. It's a talk about preserving our culture because dubplate is a relevancy to our culture and what we do. It's a part of the craft.
And I voice dubs every month. Every month. And every month I look at myself in the mirror like, you stupid idiot. But it is preserving the culture. But how is it for DJs to preserve the culture, but the artists don't see it as preserving the culture?
Because
1,000...
You have to understand the scene. The way the business is going now, especially the dancehall business, the artists them have a 9 month run, then them dead.
If
me I really dead enough.
No, but that's only if they're not true to their craft.
Yeah, exactly.
Because if you're true to your craft, you will last. But if you're not true to your craft, you will have that time period.
Yeah, if someone get a one hit song, man, and say I'm rich.
Yeah, and that's it. Get a one hit song, you travel to UK for one tour, and that's it. And a lot of artists, that's the problem. A lot of artists just want to get to the UK and tour, and that's
so them go Europe or
this is just one habit cycle.
But like you were saying, £1,000 for Baby Sham, right? If you voice 10, that's the equivalent of you hiring Baby Sham for a show, for a 1 hour segment show.
Yeah,
$10,000.
So it makes sense. You just
booking for a show,
and make the money,
and make the money from there, and then voice it.
And then you probably get it free.
You know what I mean? Dub prices are overpriced. I mean, I still voice, but I try to be strategic with my. I don't have. I'm on Black China, but I'm not Dubs.
Yeah.
Right. And Dubs don't voice Dubs anymore. Dubs is a producer. He doesn't care. He doesn't. That's not his lane anymore. So the dubs have to come from the members in the sound. You know what I mean? So it's a little different financial packet. You know what I mean? If I need a Grammy artist though, if I need a Drake, I can call Dubs and I get that.
Yeah.
If I need a Fabulous on dub, I can call Dubs and get that. Rick Ross, well, that's me, but there's other hip hop Grammy dubs that we can get through Dubs. But when it comes to the dancehall artists, it is a little overpriced. I'm hearing I'm hearing 1,500 for an artist, 1,700 for an artist, grand for an artist. It's not sustainable for DJs that are not making that kind of money.
Good, makes sense. We're just running out a bit of time, so I'm trying to catch up with every little thing. So, for everyone that's watching you now and haven't seen anything about English Fire before, what would you like them to take from this interview today?
I'm still irrelevant. I'm still. One thing about me, man, like I said, I've been doing this for a very long time. Yeah. Right? And I don't know about anybody else, but I didn't get a lot of help coming through the gate. So at this point in my career, if you've noticed, I used to travel every month. I kind of slowed down with the traveling. I kind of slowed down with the playing. I've tried to incorporate younger DJs. Like right now, a lot of the shows that you see me with, I'll be playing alongside DJ Nate. Yeah. And that's like my brother. You know what I mean? So I play alongside DJ Nate. Not because of because I can't play. It's because I just want to usher in that new wave. Yeah. You know what I mean? I'll be the first to say, yo, Craigis can tell you. I sent Craigis to Italy for the first time. Yeah. I did. Yeah. Right? They came to me for the date. Nah, let me pass that on to somebody else that's never been. Let me help somebody get that.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
I didn't know. I'm not kidding. In the late 90s, early 2000s, nobody weren't helping you. They was like, I'm the man.
Is that so, Craig? Is that so on your side? Would you say it's the same thing? Nobody didn't give you a look in the help?
No, brother. Really and truly, the artist not giving a push. You have quite as I say, you have a man them around me like timeless, and the man during the time I used to say, yo, they need a back. I used to play Total Eclipse. Yeah. And they used to keep a thing called Dancers Friday.
Remember that.
And yeah, from radio up there, you make your name in the street.
That's why you make your name in the street.
So, me have a quick question now. Why DJ nowadays, they're not really unified together, like look at each other as co-worker? Everybody's more egoistic these days.
Yeah, man, ego. But I'm going to tell you, it's ego, brother.
It's not DJ.
And I'm looking at you and English Fire now.
Oh, we are brother. Not even friend now, we are brother.
You are brother, in my brother, but some of the time, I think you two guys would be a good combination inside the UK.
We've played.
Yeah, we played. No.
I know you Craigis have actually played.
I know you guys played, but I want to see it more.
No, I don't mean
more of it. No, but what I'm not as Illusion and not as English Fire.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about separately.
As English Fire and Illusion together as one package.
Craigis is mixed and I've hosted.
Yeah, and it was already. Me and Mix Emma talk.
I see it already. I see it over here already, but more of it. That's why I say it used to be. You need more unification inside the business.
It's no different from artists, man.
Because like you are here some of the time because I know you have extended family here, so you are here. He's here, so within that time, why can't you guys just give us a package, something different? Because I know you have something different for the business. You have something different, and both of you guys package put together would be like a similar type of package. Would you give like us an all-round package? Would you think so? You guys have
some influence something.
Me not influence nothing, but I true like when I see something really
the vibe with a difference to because
exactly.
English no song, me no song. English a good MC,
and like
it'll be a good energy.
What you call it like? Some of the time we're sick of the same old people over and over again.
Same
cycle. Sometimes you need some young blood coming at this because like we got the Liars Squad. Them bring something new to the table. They are really doing them thing,
That's the UK style.
You have some son. You have some son coming up inside the ranks, but it's not the same. Like more something where you guys bring to the scene. It's like an uptone.
Too many
scene
DJs
to UK.
trying to compete, man.
That's
the problem.
Too much DJ, brother.
Want to compete. All right, there's a couple of things that's hurting the business. One that I find is hurting the business is music is playing too fast. Like a lot of these young DJs,
especially
music.
London, brother.
London music.
I'm in a dance.
Bro, I can't,
brother.
Don't make sense.
Chipmunks, bro.
Yep.
I'm listening to Alvin, Simon, and Theo.
Because these mans are playing with this thing. We call it pitch and time. When they do like this pitch and time, a song that's 90 BPM, they could play it to 115.
Brother.
And that's not normal. And every time I hear it, I kind of wonder what these men doing.
Being some dancer and I hear some song where like 90 BPM and make to that 120, brother. Oh,
it doesn't make any sense.
But
sing button.
Gentlemen, you know what? I do enjoy the conversation, but unfortunately the time is up, and we do thank you very much. Next time, English Fire, could you please?
I will give you a 4 hour. I promise.
Yeah,
I'll give you 4 hours.
Look what we're gonna do a special. We're gonna have a few lots in here. We're gonna do a dancehall special. We're gonna get some of the dinosaur in dancehall.
Yeah.
Back up inside the building.
We just have a chat and
DJ.
reason.
We're gonna get like maybe like 6-8 person and do a powerhouse. I want to get the view.
I think that would actually be good if you get a couple of some of the elder statesmen in the UK.
Yeah.
I meant, me and Craigis don't really, we're not from that.
Yeah.
We don't know who the elder statesmen and what happened. When I
them can go more in depth.
Yeah. That the 100.
I be hearing some clubs. I'm like, what club are you talking about? I've never been here.
To be honest, we get the in-depth story again from them already. We get most of them. Yeah. So we just want everybody to
does come back and
together to do a power.
Just set the time, man. As long as you're available with them, man.
We'll get it back done real soon, right?
I'm with it.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Okay, just give us some socials before you guys go. Craigis.
Alright, Craigis Illusion on Instagram. On major platform. I don't know, you can follow Illusion Sound.
Yep.
On Instagram, every major platform as well. You can check out our SoundCloud at Illusion Sound JA. Our live orders and mixtapes. You see me?
Wicked. Fire.
Just Google DJ English Fire.
Google Craigis. No, right now, if you not watch right now, take a time out and just type Craigis Illusion and so I come up.
Well, I know.
Me even write pipe on Spotify, I'm an artist.
Them say if you didn't on Google, something wrong with it.
Type in Craigis Illusion now.
Anyway, people, remember, like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, we are here each and every Tuesday live. We call this Upnliveshow.
I want to say big up to the sponsors. I want to say big up to Shoesprint, Valsprint, and this show was brought to you by Royal Mag Production. And you know what the thing go already. As I tell everybody weekly, love your brother, love your sister, love rule in everything you do. Them say read a book in a brain power is the main power, right? See you guys next week, same time, same place.
All right.
We're different, right?
Say what?
On the sampler.